Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to Phonics with Uncle Sam. In today's episode we look at a new sound, but before we do that, let's remind ourselves about the sound we looked at in our previous lesson. And to do that, I'll do an action and I want you to tell me what that sound is. What sound is that? One more time. What sound is that? S. Good. So this sound is S, and this sound is represented by the letter S. Now, I want you to listen to this story. Andrew and Annie are working on their farm. They stop digging and pick a mango from the tree. Annie steps on an ant nest. Ants are climbing on her legs up to her arms. She rubs them off using her arm, screaming, "Ah! Ah! Ah!" Have you been bitten by an ant before? How does it feel? It stings, right? Yes. Now, I want us to pretend as if ants are crawling on our arms, and let's brush them off. Ah! Ah! Now, that is the action for the sound ah. Ah! Okay, so in today's lesson, we look at the sound ah. And the sound ah is represented by the letter A. So A makes the sound ah. Ah. Can you say it with me? Ah. And show me the action. Ah. Ah. Good job. Now I want to teach you a song. This song goes like ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Now let's sing it together. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They are causing me alarm. Yay! How do we form the sound ah? Ah. Okay, now remember, the letter A is a small letter. And so we said, if it's a small letter, it starts from the middle of the top and the bottom line. Now, how do we form sound ah? So we are saying it starts from the middle line. So it goes like around, up, down. One more time. Around, up, down. So that's sound ah. Now, can we write sound ah in the air? Let's write sound ah in the air. Around, up, down. One more time. Around, up, down. Good job. This time I want you to listen carefully for these sounds, blend them together, and tell me what words you can hear. So the first sounds are ah, d, ah, d. What word can you hear? Add. Good. The next word is ah, d. Ah, d. What word is that? Mad. Good. Mad. And the last word is d. Ah, d. D. Ah, d. What word is that? Dad. Good job. Nice one. Now let's see if you can hear today's sound of the day in these words. The first word is bad. bad. Can you hear today's sound in the word bad? Yes. Now, where is this sound? Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? It's in the middle. Bad. Bad. Good. The next word is leg. Leg. Can you hear the sound ah in the word leg? Nah, it's not there. Good. And our last word is ant. Ant. Can you hear the sound ah in the word ant? Yes. Now tell me, is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? Ant. It's at the beginning. Good job. Now can you clap for yourselves? Good. And finally, in today's lesson, we are going to look at writing today and our previous lesson's sound. Now, what was the sound in our previous lesson? Now, get your books and then you write these sounds in your books. So the first sound we looked at in our previous lesson was the sound S. Now, can you write the sound S in your books? So now remember, what type of a letter is it? It's a small letter. So it starts in the middle, around, back, under. That's last lesson's sound. And today's sound is A. How do we form A? Around, up, down. Good job. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next episode. Remember, the steps and guidelines in these demonstrations are coming from the Jolly Phonics Teacher's Guide. So you can get this copy from Beyond Ourselves Zambia. Now, just click on Beyond Ourselves Zambia in our description. Follow them, and then you can inbox them the code Uncle Sam sent me. Then you get this book at 10% discount. The original price for this book is 100 kwacha. Now remember, don't send the code Uncle Sam sent me to Uncle Sam, to Phonics with Uncle Sam, but you send it to Beyond Ourselves Zambia. So now you need to follow their page, then inbox them Uncle Sam sent me, and you get the book at 10% discount. Let's get